This seafood mulligatawny is adapted from the original soup recipe and it includes crab, shrimp, mussels, and squid. Loosely translated to pepper water, Milagu means pepper and Tanni means water in Tamil. This stew is spicy and hearty. Similar to my soup recipe, I will be using my Instant Pot. I'm going to add some oil and I'm going to let it heat up. Once it's hot, I'm going to add 1 cup of onion and 1 teaspoon of sliced chilies. I'm using a combination of red and green chilies. Once the onion has had a chance to sweat, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of finely chopped ginger and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped garlic. Saute this to get rid of the raw ginger and garlic flavor. I'm also going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Similar to my soup recipe, I've just cut this using a scissors, but it's also fine to leave it whole if you wish. Next, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of red kidney beans. I soaked these overnight. I prefer to use dried kidney beans as it's not as mushy as the canned variety. I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of red lentils. This is Masoor Dhal and it's soaked and drained. Next, I'm going to add 2 small tomatoes. I've just quartered these. For spices, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of Chilli powder. Give this a mix and I'm going to add in 1 cup of Tamarind Pulp. This is simply tamarind that I soaked in some hot water. I allowed it to sit for a while and now I'm just going to strain it in. Finally, I'm going to add in 900 ml of seafood or veggie stock. Taste for salt and add salt to taste. I'm going to close my pressure cooker and I'm going to set this to pressure cook mode for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, I'm going to open the lid and I'm going to continue to cook the base on saute mode. Using the back of my spoon, I'm going to blend all of the ingredients together. For a bit of body, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato puree. Now I'm going to add in a whole bunch of veggies. I'm going to add 1/2 cup each of diced celery, red and green pepper, carrots, and leeks. I'm also going to add in 5 whole mushrooms. It can't be called pepper water without the pepper, and so I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh cracked pepper. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Give this a mix and allow the veg to cook for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of coconut milk. A little tip if you're using organic coconut milk or if you're using coconut milk that looks a little split, it's a good idea to process it in your food processor first so that it's nice and smooth. And now for the fun part. You can use as much seafood as you like, but I'm going to be using 4 crabs, that's 150 grams, 10 shrimp, that's 360 grams. I've already deveined my shrimp simply by cutting through the back and I've removed the black vein. I will leave a link in the description that will show you how to do this. I'm also going to be using mussels. I have 400 grams of mussels. I will also leave a video in the description that will show you how to properly clean and sort mussels. Finally, I'm going to add in 2 squid. I just cut this into rings. This is 150 grams. Allow your seafood to cook in the delicious broth And when it's done, I'm going to simply add some chopped coriander, and it's ready to serve with some crusty bread. This is absolutely delicious. Enjoy.